how to clean your logs. This is a gas fireplace, and we have logs in here, and they're kind of charcoal. So we have some soapy water, and we are just going to spray it onto the logs. We have it on low heat, low fire, not too high. And as you can see over here on the side right there on that log where I'm spraying, it is cleaning it. And that gets all the dirt off of the logs. It's cleaning it very good. Well, this is after one whole winter of using the fireplace almost every day. Actually, we use it all day long in the winter. And what kind of soap are we using?
Dishwashing.
We're using dishwashing soap, Palmolive. So this is getting it clean very well. Quite happy with the results. And this is how you can get the logs on your fireplace clean as well. I have the fireplace on low. You don't want it on too high, because when you spray it, the fire, the flame goes a little bit higher. I have this on low. So, thank you for watching.